Have you ever imagined your fridge talking back to you? No. We're not talking about a whimsical, cartoonish appliance with a face and a voice. We're talking about a smart, connected device that's part of a much larger network. This is the realm of the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. IoT is a sprawling network of physical objects, from your fridge to your car, all embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies. These aren't just lifeless machines anymore. They're intelligent devices that can connect and exchange data with other systems over the internet. So your fridge? It can now tell you when you're out of milk, alert you when your food is nearing its expiration date, and even suggest recipes based on what's inside. Sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. Welcome to the world of IoT. But it's not just your fridge that's getting smarter. As we delve deeper into the Internet of Things, or IoT, we find that this digital revolution extends far beyond the kitchen. Everyday appliances are becoming increasingly intelligent, and they're not shy about sharing their insights. Let's consider the humble thermostat. In the past, you'd have to manually adjust the temperature, trying to strike a balance between comfort and energy efficiency. But now, with smart thermostats like Nest or Ecobee, this task has become a thing of the past. These devices learn your schedule, adjusting the temperature based on your habits and preferences. They might even use local weather data to optimize your home's climate, saving you energy and money in the process. And what about laundry? Perhaps you're familiar with the age-old question, is my laundry done yet? Well, connected washing machines are here to provide the answer. They'll send a notification to your smartphone when your load is ready, saving you the trouble of checking in on it. Some